First, you need to get the tools you need to the proper location, along with at least one replacement V-belt. If the drive location is difficult to access, you may want to bring an assortment of sizes to ensure you have the right one. Remove the broken belt, then find the proper wrench to adjust the motor. The motor has to be moved close enough to allow the V-belt to be slipped on without stretching or forcing it to avoid damaging the internal tension cords. Once the proper belt is on, move the motor until the belt has the proper tension. Then there's just the cleanup. Gather up your tools, extra V-belts, and the broken belt. There's a lot of measuring and adjusting involved to get the right fit and proper installation tension with an endless rubber V-belt, not to mention a lot of tools and mess. Pretty simple to install, no tools, no mess, and no need to dismantle any of the components. Pull the belt hand tight around the pulleys overlapping two links. Count the links and remove the number needed to get the right tension on the belt. Check the instructions included in the box for the formula. Assemble the belt and turn the tabs to the inside. Place the belt on the smaller pulley and roll it onto the larger pulley. The belt will seem tight, that's okay.